Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. If you're new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll show you how I grew my hair from bald to shoulder length using just herbs. In this video, we are making a hair growth spray I use on my braids in order to get maximum result in terms of growth, in order to grow thick and healthy hair. We are using only two ingredients, that is black seed and fennel seeds. Black seeds are something that I really like to use, not as often as fenugreek seeds, but then if I get a chance to use black seed, I always use it because black seed helps promote hair growth. It minimizes dandruff, it manages hair loss, it soothes the scalp, and it also promotes scalp health. Yes, if you're having issues with your scalp, black seed is something you should introduce into your hair regimen. Our next ingredient is fennel seeds, guys. Fennel seeds is also a spice. I'm always giving you simple spices that are easily available in the kitchen that you can use to promote your hair growth. Fennel seeds contain antioxidants and they are also able to help stimulate hair growth. You know, if your hair is not growing, basically because your scalp is not having enough blood circulation. So some of these herbs are able to help circulate this blood, and then they're also able to promote hair growth. As usual, as the title says, it's hair growth spray, so it has to be infused in water. So I infused it in water for about 15 minutes. That's hot water for about 15 minutes, and then when the nutrients from the herbs are extracted, I just strain them into my spray bottle. Yes, so when you finish straining, allow it to cool down. You don't want to put this hot thing on your scalp. You are going to irritate your scalp, so just allow it to cool down and then transfer it on your scalp. Yes, if you're in braids, this is the best time to do this because you have direct access to your hair. You guys have no idea how excited I feel when I'm coming here to create content for you. I feel so excited. Yes, and this is my braids and I've had it for a while, so this scalp scratch is something you can't do without. It's so inevitable. Yes, I always like to scratch my scalp because sometimes it relieves me a lot, but not like excessive scratching in order to cause irritation or inflammation. Just some small scratches. Yes, so I spray this on my scalp. I just focus on just random stuff. You don't have to be some expert or you don't have to do anything special. Just spray it on your scalp as you see me do in the video, and then follow up with your oil. I always emphasize on following up with your oil because if you don't follow up with your oil, you are going to dry your hair. So you have to follow up with your hair oil, your hair growth oil, and then you are good to go. Yes, so also it's best to do this in small batches so you don't allow them to or let them go waste. Yes, so as you saw me do, I just did a little batch so that I can still use and reuse. Yes, I followed with my hair growth oil, which I have a video here already on the channel. You just have to scroll a bit and you see the hair growth oil video here. And then I did well with my scalp massages. Please do not forget your scalp massages. They are very important. Do it like your life depends on it. Scalp massages really promote scalp blood circulation. Yeah, so please do well to scalp massage your hair when you finish applying these products on your hair. These hair growth stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Do well to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.